Indian stock market might be overvalued according to the greatest investor ever in the stock market. That is Warren Buffett. And even considering the India-Pakistan war-like chances, which are not over as of now, even after the ceasefire, is actually indicating that stock market might not be the safest bet as of now. But why are we saying this? Let's analyze this in today's video. First, let's talk about Warren Buffett. His indicator, the Buffett indicator, which is also known as the market cap to GDP ratio, is actually at a really high point for India right now. If we look clearly, in 2008 recession, we can see here that the market went to 140%. Then it went back below the median price. And then in May 2024, it went to 140. And currently it is standing at 120 right now. With the median percentage, an average ratio of 80 to 85, which overall signals that there is an overvaluation. And even if you look at the Indian markets from a different perspective, that is the Indian market cap compared to the total assets of the central bank, which is currently standing at 106% with an all-time high of 120. That according to this indicator, Indian market again is overvalued. And let's talk about the current ongoing situations in the market. On 8th and 9th May, market showed a bit of a decline because of India and Pakistan war-like chances. On 8th May, it went down nearly 0.5%. And on 9th May, it only went down to near 1%. But if a country is about to face a war-like situation, this amount of downfall is very less. Why? Because if you can clearly see according to this data, DII bought nearly 7,500 crore worth of securities in the market, because of which there was a shock and selling absorption from FIIs and from retail investors. But when there was a ceasefire announced on Saturday, on Monday we could clearly see that the market gave its best rally in a day since February 2021. But wait, did market go down by 3% or 2%? No, clearly not. And the market gave its best rally in a day since 2021. और अगर हम मार्केट को देखें जो अभी 25,000 लेवल्स पे है, और अगर हम टैरिफ से पहले और इंडिया पाकिस्तान की वॉर के चांसेस से पहले देखें तो मार्केट 23,000 पे थी, जिसका मतलब मार्केट ने नियरली 10% का रिटर्न दिया है. सो द क्वेश्चन इज, क्या इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ में कोई इंप्रूवमेंट लग रही है? क्या कंपनीज की अर्निंग्स बढ़ गई है? इवन आफ्टर कंसिडरिंग द फैक्ट कि हमारा इन्फ्लेशन एक 6-year लो पे है, इट डजंट मीन इट्स अ गुड थिंग. Low inflation for a very long period of time का मतलब होता है there is a low demand in the economy, and a consistent low demand results in a recession. But if all these factors are there, what is exactly the reason the market is giving a rally? Well, it's simply because DIIs are buying a lot of securities in the Indian market. If you look from 2021, they have bought more than 13 lakh crore worth of securities in the Indian market, not looking at any valuation or nothing. Even after there was an increasing chance of war on Friday. And don't forget the fact that the India-Pakistan war is not quite over. Even after our Prime Minister's Modi speech on Monday, there were still attacks in Jammu and Kashmir. So the war is far from over. But the market seems to be war resistant. जितने भी bad situations आते हैं, the market just doesn't seem to go down. जबकि there is no economical growth, ना ही कोई earnings के अंदर improvement आई है companies की. So what do you think? Are the markets overvalued right now? Is it the best time to invest or to exit from the market? Let me know your analysis in the comments down below. Till then, don't forget to have a great day. Thank you so much.